My internet doesn't hold up again, then that's going to be the end of the stream.
Caution, calorie deficiency detected.
No shit, calorie deficiency. What do you... One more leak somewhere else.
Attention. High energy particle containment field restored. Auto decontamination sequence initiated.
So
aquatic radiation readings returning to safe levels.
Okay, so you basically could just fix it to where it would stop the radiation from happening. Maybe all the monsters won't get so pissed off whenever I try to get over there. What is this? Increase your submarine power efficiency just for you. What? Jacksepticeye. Oh my god. So I'm assuming I could shove that inside my submarine.